In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms, compléments d'objet, indirect, but more precisely, we will see me. So let's see together what are les pronoms, compléments d'objet, indirect. And the first thing, they are used to replace nouns that refer to people or things that receive the action of the verb. This is really, really important. So let's agree on that. These nouns that they will replace will receive the action of the verb in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important, they are called indirect because they will replace nouns that are introduced by the preposition a. So these nouns that they will replace receive the action of the verb and are introduced by the preposition a. So this is what we call les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. So this lesson is about me. And the indirect object pronoun me can be translated into various ways in English, such as to me, for me, or simply me. So we will see some examples with me. Elle me donne toujours de bons conseils. Elle me donne toujours de bons conseils. Pourquoi me racontes-tu cette histoire? Pourquoi me racontes-tu cette histoire? Le professeur me parle souvent après le cours. Le professeur me parle souvent après le cours. Cette musique me fait penser à mon enfance. Cette musique me fait penser à mon enfance.